Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to play a dynamic prompt. What is dynamic prompt? You may ask, right? So dynamic prompt is nothing but let's say an example, right? And also I've created a web service for that, thanks to one of the user in the comment sections. So let's say there is a requirement of playing a date, okay? And we don't know how many date comes, right? So it can come. So let's say when we are making a web service call, sometimes we get 4 dates like you see over here. Sometimes we are getting only one date, and sometimes we are getting 3 dates, right? And this is a array list and the JSON object which is getting returned. So let's see how it goes. Before going over there, just want to share something with you guys. So what YouTube says that only few users are getting subscribed, and rest of them are not subscribing to the channel. So if you find the content useful, please do subscribe to the channel. Okay. So quickly, let's go to the Avaya OD site. In the previous video, I mentioned how to uh, use the web service, how to call the web service. Comment in the comment section, oh sorry, in the description section, I mentioned how to call and what are the jars and required, all those things. So quickly, what we are doing, we are getting result as in JSON array. If you if I go over here, you can see just an array. And what we are doing is we are storing that into a date list. So this is a variable which I have created, date list, which will contain the array list. And also I know that we will getting 5 dates, so I have created five date object or variable over here. Okay. Now what I will do, so I will create a prompt file over here. Okay. So let's say prompt file, and this one is created. And if you see over here, it's completely blank. So that is what you have to also do when you want to play or want to play a prompt from the Java side. Okay. Now, once it is created, right, click save and then go to the Java and go to the source prompts. And if you see that file name, just double click and open it. Okay. Now, in this, I have already written the override section, but I will just quickly explain what we have. So, this part of the code is nothing but a build prompt, which is nothing but whatever the TTS, text variable, audio variable you will add, that will gets added over here automatically. Okay. And what we are doing over here is update prompt. Over here, we can manually add all those syntax which are required. So don't worry about the syntax, add, format, and all those things. These are pretty much all which get generated over here. I just copy paste from there. Okay. So first, the only thing is make a call to the super class. Okay. Now we got the date list which we store into that previous web service call. We just have to parse it to array list because anyway everything comes as an object. Okay. You see over here. Now what we are doing is first we are playing total number of date we found, as then we are getting the length. So let's say if it is 3 dates we have received, okay, so it will play the as found as 3. Okay. Then what we are doing is we are creating a format. Okay. So in this the format is date, since we are going to play the audio variable. Okay. Month type, we are speaking out the month, then the date format is in this format. Okay. Now what I did is over here pretty much simple code. What I did is I get the size of that array list. Okay. And if the current counter is 0, which is nothing but the first date, and it is not the last one, right? Then what I am doing is I am playing the first date is I'm adding that date which I received into a date 1. Okay. And playing that as an variable audio. Same for 2, 3, 4, and 5. and then at the end I'm just adding and. So let's say if I receive two dates, right? So it will play first date is X, and then it will play and the second date is this, so that it just what do you say, have a proper sentencing. Okay. So yeah, the code is already available in the comment. Sorry, in the GitHub, and the details of the GitHub is present in the description section. Okay. So let me just test it out. Okay. I will just go to again speech and play the application simulator and click on run.
Total number of date found 4. First date is
August 21st, 2023.
second date is
December 11th, 2023.
third date is
October 4th, 2023.
and fourth date is
December 23rd, 2023.
So if you see over here, we receive four dates and it has played all the four dates that we received. Okay, so this is how we are playing dynamically. This is quite challenges. We get more challenges uh, when we try to play, or let's say in the web service, we try to store it over there. That is also possible. But this is much easier and you can control more play style from here. Okay, so let's give another try. Let's click on run. Let's see how many dates it gets this time, because it's just a random getting from the web
total
service.
number of date found 4.
Oh, it's again
First
4.
date is
November 18th,
Let's try, give another try. Hopefully it is not 4 this time.
total number of date found 3.
Okay,
First
this
date
time it is
is
3.
October 28th, 2022.
second date is
May 19th, 2023.
and third date is
November 9th, 2023.
Okay, the beauty of this is again, since we get all the prompts and all this thing, you can use your own custom audio if you don't want to use the standard one which comes from the Avaya side. Second, you can play anything else. Let's say instead of the date, if it is you want to play a prompt with different recording and also different numbers, right? With different recording and everything that you can handle from your side. So this gives us the more flexibility, what exactly is getting played, how it is getting played, and you can control or change the audio files directly to play it custom voice, right? So yeah, this is how we play a prompt in dynamic. Okay, the next video will be, we will convert this into a menu and we will collect the DTMF input or the valid date input based on the selection. So if it, let's say we have three dates and let's say the total, or you can say the three dates, and it should accept the input only 1 2 3. But if it is a next call web service return four dates, how the IVR should handle four date or entry or the grammar for the four dates, so that we will see. Hopefully you like the video, and do put on your query in the comment section. Thank you, have a nice day.